Ready to disrupt the real estate game? Let's break down how to build a website just like Zillow, feature by feature. First, core functionality property listings. You'll need a robust database to store details like address, price, square footage, and high-quality images. Think about using a relational database like PostgreSQL or MySQL for organized data management. This database will power your search functionality. Next up, interactive mapping. Integrate a mapping API like Google Maps or Leaflet to display properties visually. Users should be able to zoom on and click on markers to view property details. Consider clustering markers for areas with high property density to avoid clutter. Now make that search powerful. Implement advanced filters, allowing users to narrow down properties based on criteria like price range, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, property type, and more. Use a faceted search approach for best results, where users can refine their search step by step. Don't forget the user experience. Implement user authentication so people can save their favorite properties. Set up email alerts for new listings that match their criteria, and track market trends in their desired locations. Consider social login options for quick registration. Then, make the website valuable. Integrate market data APIs to display real-time statistics, such as average prices, days on market, and neighborhood trends. Visualizations like charts and graphs can help users understand the market and make informed decisions. This data is the gold mine that keeps users coming back. Finally, design for every screen. Make sure your website is responsive, looking great on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. This ensures a seamless user experience. No matter how someone accesses your platform, remember to test on different devices and browsers to ensure compatibility. So there you have it. Remember, you will need HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and likely a backend framework. With careful planning and execution, you can create a powerful and user-friendly real estate platform. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web design tips.